Okay, guys, here's a short video on how to record a video of your mechanism and then save it. All right, first things first, we're going to go to the bottom left-hand part of your screen where we have the Cortana search bar where it says type to search. We're going to go ahead and type camera. Once it comes up, let's click on it. It brings up our camera. All right, point it at what you're going to make the video about. Make the video. To do that, click on switch to video mode. You're going to click on record, and then you and your partner will say your script. When you're done, hit stop. Come down and click on camera roll. All right, it plays back the video so you can sort of look at it, make sure it's what you want. When you're done, come on up, click in this area, and what you want to do is click on these three little dots that say see more. Go down to save as, and you're going to want to put this in the videos folder, and then you're going to want to give it a name that makes sense. Okay, let's call this Simple Gear Train because that's what it is, and let's just SGT for short, and then we're going to save it, and there we go. It saves it to our videos folder. And there it is right there. And the next step will be to upload it to our Google Drive. That comes next.